friends, Namaste. Welcome to Sil's Guitar Class. My name is Rupam और आज हम करने वाले हैं ये गाना 21 Guns. It has been requested by Louise G. Roy. In this lesson, you will learn a lot of things. Firstly, I'll teach you the tabs version of the song. Okay, the lead part of the song. After that, I'll teach you the intro of the song. And finally, we will learn the chords and the strumming. Easy strumming, easy chords. You can play it without any problem. ठीक है? तो please follow till the end. And yes, मैं हमेशा try करता हूँ to give you something best. तो अगर आपको लगे जो आज का lesson है is helpful, is nice, please give a like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. चलिए सीखते हैं. First, we will do the tabs version of the song. Okay, it starts with D string 3rd fret. 2 times, then goes to B string, B1, B1, G3, G2, G0. Okay, then please follow the tabs, you will get it. Okay, next part. Okay, यहाँ तक किया. So let me play this full part. How you will play this? I'll play it slowly. उसके बाद now comes okay, till here we did. Then 21 guns. Okay, फिर next now let's go to the intro of the song and we go to the chords and the strumming. So we start with this. Intro is like this. So how to play this? We start from B string. It's all in the B string. B6, B3, B10, B5. 2 times you play this. Okay, then the song starts. So the chords I'm using in this song are, we have the D minor chord. कैसे बजाओगे? E1, G2, B3. Then you play A sharp chord. D3, G3, B3, E1. Okay, you can do this bar. You have to play the F major chord. B1, you have full bar on the 1st fret. G2, D3, A3. You have to play the C major chord, that is B1, D2, A3. That's all you have to play. So the chords we are using is D minor chord, A sharp major, F and C. These are the chords we are playing. The strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so we play part by part. So the song starts with the intro. Then the song starts. D minor. It starts with D minor. Do you know? No. From D minor, no. When you play no, you goes to A sharp. What's what? Fighting F for. We go to C. When it's D minor, no A sharp, dying, F4. Go to C. Does it D minor? Take your A sharp breath, F away, C. And you're feeling yourself, A sharp, suffocating. Go back to C. Okay, so how to play this part? It's like this. Do you know what's worth fighting for? When it's nowhere dying for, does it take your breath away and you're feeling yourself suffocating? Okay, then we go to the next part. Does the pain weigh out of the pride? So we are playing D minor, A sharp, we're out, F, C, right? Okay, the same chord progression. And you look D to A sharp for a place, F to high, back to C. Does someone break your, so D minor to A sharp, heart will be F, inside you're in raving, A sharp, F and C. Same like the first part we did. Okay, so it's like this. Does the pain weigh out of the pride? And you look for a place to hide. Does someone break your heart inside? You're in raving. 8 times you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. You have to come to the chorus. F. 1. 21. 21. C. Guns. D minor. Lay down your arms. C to A sharp. Give up the fight. From F. Fight we go to C. Again. 1. F. 21 comes. Go to D minor. Throw out your arms. C. Into the sky. F to C. You and I. A sharp, F and C. You have to play. So how to play this part? Let me show you. 1, 21. Lay down your arms, give up the fight. 1, 21, throw out your arms into the sky, you and I. Okay, this is the chorus. Then the second part goes the same way. When you're at the end of the road, same D minor, at the A sharp, and you go to F, road will be C. And you, D minor, lost all your sense of control, F to C. Next. And your thoughts, D sharp, D minor to A sharp, have taken your toll, F to C. And your mind breaks the spirit of your soul, A sharp, F, soul, C. Same, next part also. Your faith, D minor to A sharp, walks unbroken, F, glass will be C. And you, D minor, hang over A sharp, doesn't pass, F to C. Nothing's ever, D minor to A sharp, built to last, F to C. You're in raving, A sharp, F, C. Then again, the same chorus we are playing. 1. Okay, we already did this. Now let's go to the breeze of the song. Did you try to live So it starts with did you. Did you will be D sharp, D minor, try to A sharp, leave F on C. When you D minor, burned will be A sharp, down house, house will be F, home A. You have to play the A chord. In one place there is a A chord, okay? D2, G2, B2, you play the A chord. Did you stand too close to the fire? So D minor, A sharp, close to F, fire will be A. Liar, A sharp, forgiveness will be C. To the stone, from a stone. Okay, so how to play this part? Let's see. Did you try to live on your own when you burned down house and home? Did you stand too close to the fire like a liar looking for forgiveness from the stone? Ooh. Then again you have to play the chorus. 1. This is how we finish up the song. So this is the lesson, guys. If you have any other request, please let me know. I'm there. Till the next video, thank you so much. God bless you.